Hi everyone. Today for the art class we will continue with the same topic, colors. We will do an exercise related to color, that is a color scheme abstract drawing. So for this what you have to do, this is the one what you are going to do, and here I have used all the colors. I mean, like 4 color schemes I have used. This is monochromatic, this is split complementary, analogous, and triadic scheme. These are the 4 schemes I have used. You can use any 4 schemes from what we have learned in the class. Okay, and it will be better to use more than 2 colors so that you will be able to fill it in each sections like that. So for that what you have to do, we will take an A4 size paper. Take an A4 size paper and then draw a line, horizontal and vertical, on both the sides. One side here, I think you can see I drew. Again you have to draw one more. Try to find the middle of it, make it in the middle of the page itself. Don't put it anywhere here and there. You know, I have told you before itself, for finding the center, fold the paper into 4 folds and find the middle. So like that on both the sides. So we have line on both the sides. Now after that you will take one paper like that side, that fold and cut and leave one side of the paper, and that paper we will be using to draw the designs. So first cut it out and take it out. This is like, see, I fold it half and again half, and I cut one piece from this. This is the way, and then draw a line across from one corner to the other corner like this, and then you draw a design. Design should be consistent of shapes, lines, and simple objects. The key is not to overcomplicate the design, because you will be painting each part in different shades of color. So here is what I came up with. This is the design which I drew. I drew the line and then the designs I drew. You will have to copy the same design, like keep like this, and you can trace the same design on this side also. After that what you will do, you will take one paper. For me what I took is this side to the middle. Any side, any shape, any way, it's all up to you. So keep it like this. Inside one rectangle, and then tape it. Try to align as much as possible, and then you will trace it to this side. You can trace it by keeping it on a window, or just keeping it on your any lighted object, and then you can trace the design. And then what you have to do when you're doing to the other side, you cannot trace the same thing. Then this side will be like this, will not that pattern will not flow. So for that what you have to do is, this is the time where you use the other side design. You turn it over and tape it, and then again you will have to trace it on this side. Again remove it and put it this way, align it, tape it, and trace it on the other side. For the other side, again you will go to this side, remove the tape, put it this way, and draw it. Always see that what you chose to be in the middle of the design, repeat like that only. That is why we are making the drawing on both the sides, so that you will get the same design on the middle of the drawing. Okay, now we will see the color schemes what we have used. Here monochromatic coloring, I told you before itself in the last class itself that monochromatic is the value and shade of one color. So here I chose one blue color, and I was adding white and black to the color to get different shades and values. That is monochromatic. And for this one, split complementary, it is like if you are finding it difficult to choose one color, what you do, go to Google Images, go search for split complementary scheme palettes, and you will get different colors. So you choose whichever you like, and you can use those combination in that. Next it is analogous. For analogous, you can use a maximum of 5 colors, minimum 3 colors. So again, go for searching in the Google for the palette, analogous color palette. You will get different combinations. These are 3 colors. You will get 4 color schemes and 5 color schemes also you will get. Choose any and you can use it for that color. This is split complementary, I told you. This is analogous, and this is triad. Triad also same thing. If you search in Google image, you will get different combination. More are there, not only these many, you can find more in that. So choose your color palette, what you need, what you want to fill it with. You can use that one and fill it. So this will give you a beautiful abstract. So this is a color theory abstract which you need to do for the next class, I mean this week's class. So hope you all will do it and submit it on time. Thank you and have a nice day.